I thought opening a trading account with Exness would be easy until I got rejected. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. But then I figured out the exact thing they were looking for, and boom, I got instantly approved. If you are stuck or frustrated, this one thing may be your fix, right? So the thing is, the first thing you need to go to your settings and go to your profile. You can do this on your laptop or your mobile phone. As you can see, I'm doing it with my laptop here. The thing is, you can go to your settings and go to your profile, right? You can see my account here is not verified. This is a new account I just created, right? So as you can see, I've confirmed my email address. I can deposit up to $500, okay, within 14 days, right? As you can see, let me see, click on complete process. As you can see, here's where you can upload your documents. You make sure that the name you put is linked with your, NIN number, right? Will be the same with your NIN number, right? So that, you won't have any issue with it, right? So as you can see, you select your region here, whether it is Nigeria or UK. Basically, the way in the country Exness work, right? As you can see, you can put in your complete things here. As you can see, here this way you can submit your NIN number, right? As you can see, this is an example, okay, right? You can say everything here. You put in your BBVN and then boom, you can get instant approval. But the thing is, I want to show you the thing that I encourage everyone to do when opening an Exness account, right? As you can see here, my email and my password, right? I can change my password here. I can change my password. I can input another new one. Okay, repeat the new one and then click on confirm, right? Then I've confirmed my new password, right? This is also good. And this is the second step of verification. This is my number as a security, right? I choose this number as a security. If I like, I can go and change it. I can use my email, my phone, or Google authentication app or push notification, right? But the thing is, I'm now using my phone number to verify my Exness account, right? But the thing is, you can use Google authentication app. It's very, very important for you to secure your account, right? Or you have to just go to the Play Store, download the Google authentication app, and then you can just scan the QR code, right? Then you input your account name and your security key here, right? Right? It's very, very easy. If you don't know how to do that, you can just go on YouTube and search for how to verify with Google authentication app, right? Here's how you can do it, right? You can see where you can put in the confirmation code on your Google authentication app, right? It's very, very simple, right? So this is how you can use Google authentication app to also verify your account, to also make sure that your account is secure, right? So that no one can come and disturb your account or something like that, right? You can also use push notification, which they recommended, right? Meaning you just have to download the Exness latest app, which is, you can use my link in the description down below. You can use my link down below. Yes, you can just download the Exness latest app and then scan the QR code, right? Then the Exness will now send you a notification if you want to withdraw your money, right? You can see enable push notification to receive withdrawal confirmation on your mobile phone, right? This, if you want to withdraw your money, Exness will not send for you a notification that you want to withdraw your money, which is very, very great. And also, you can use your phone number and your email, right? You can use another new number, right? Anyone you choose, but I highly recommend you use Google authentication app, right? Anyone you use, but Google authentication app is very, very powerful, right? So anyone you choose is all right. So this is how you can secure your account so that your account will not get rejected or something like that, right? Right, and please, if you are getting value in this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to sign up with Exness, you can check my link down below, right? And I will see you in the next video, right?